Every thought you've ever had, every fear, every dream, every idea was created inside your brain. But here's the shocking truth. You don't think the way you believe you do. Your brain edits reality, filters information, and even lies to you to keep you alive. Today you'll learn how the brain actually thinks, how it creates your inner voice, and why your thoughts are not always real. By the end of this video, you'll see your mind in a completely different way. Let's begin. Number 1. Thoughts are not created, they are selected. Most people believe they create thoughts, but in reality, your brain selects thoughts from millions of unconscious signals. Your senses send huge amounts of data every second. Your brain filters most of it and only shows you a tiny piece. This means your thoughts are not raw reality, they are a curated version of reality. Your brain decides what matters, what to ignore, and what to amplify. That is why two people can experience the same event but think completely different thoughts about it. Number 2, the brain builds a story about you. Your brain constantly tells a story about who you are. I'm not good at math. I'm confident. I always fail. I'm lucky. These are not facts, they are stories your brain repeats until they feel true. Your brain loves consistency, so it looks for evidence to support its story, even if the story is wrong. This is why beliefs are powerful. Your brain thinks in stories, not in logic. Number 3, the loop of thoughts. Thinking is not random, it works in loops. A thought creates an emotion. The emotion strengthens the thought repeats again. This loop can create confidence, motivation, or creativity, but it can also create anxiety, overthinking, and fear. Your brain repeats familiar loops because they feel predictable, even when they are harmful. To change your thinking, you must break the loop with new actions or perspectives. Number 4, the illusion of free thinking. You believe you freely choose your thoughts, but your brain is influenced by past experiences, culture, language, and memory. Your brain thinks using patterns it has learned. It rarely creates completely new ideas. Instead, it recombines old information in new ways. Even your inner voice is shaped by voices you heard growing up. Understanding this gives you power. You can change what your brain is exposed to, and therefore change how it thinks. Number 5, cognitive biases, how the brain tricks you. Your brain uses shortcuts called cognitive biases. Confirmation bias makes you search for information that supports what you already believe. Negativity bias makes your brain focus on bad events more than good ones. Availability bias makes recent events feel more important than they really are. These shortcuts help you survive, but they distort your thinking. Your brain is not designed for truth. It is designed for survival. Number 6, how creative thinking really happens. Creativity is not magic. It happens when your brain connects unrelated ideas. This is why ideas come in the shower, while walking, or before sleep. Your brain relaxes its filters and lets ideas mix. To think creatively, you must give your brain space to wander. Number 7, the brain thinks in predictions. Your brain is not reacting to the world. It is predicting the world. Before you move, speak, or decide, your brain already simulates outcomes. It constantly asks, what will happen next? This predictive thinking helps you walk, talk, and survive. But it also causes anxiety because your brain predicts worst-case scenarios to protect you. Your mind is less a camera and more a prediction machine. Number 8, the thinking versus doing brain. Your brain has two modes, thinking mode and doing mode. In thinking mode, your brain analyzes, doubts, and plans. In doing mode, your brain acts without overthinking. High performers switch off thinking mode and enter flow. Overthinkers stay trapped in thinking mode. Your brain is most powerful when thinking and doing are balanced. Number 9, the inner voice is not you. That voice in your head, it feels like you, but it's not your true self. It is a tool your brain uses to organize thoughts. It often repeats fears, memories, and opinions you learn from others. You are not the voice, you are the listener. Once you realize this, you gain control over your thoughts instead of being controlled by them. Your brain is not just a thinking machine. It is a storyteller, a predictor, a filter, and a simulator of reality. It doesn't just think, it creates the world you experience. Once you understand how it thinks, you can rewrite your beliefs, break mental loops, think creatively, and design your future on purpose. If this video helped you understand your mind, like, subscribe, and comment BRAIN so I know you're part of Mind Haven 2.0. See you in the next video.